Good evening, people. I'm back. And the reason I'm back today is because it looks like Bing have soft launched their own AI augmented search engine today. I saw a recent article which basically says that they're soft launching it and you can get even more functionality on the app apparently. But going on the Bing.com domain, you can see now that there's this lower end window where you can essentially try some of the functions that the AI / ChatGPT or Open or GPT-3, 3.54, whatever you want to call it, is going to be augmenting search on Bing using AI. So if we click on Learn More, you can see here what it's essentially saying is that they're introducing a new Bing. You can ask real questions, get complete answers, you can chat and create. So I wonder if they're going down the route of being able to get meaningful answers that you can also use, export perhaps to not Google Sheets, but spreadsheets, or get real documentation that you can actually use rather than just text prompt responses. But yeah, you can join the waiting list, but you can see and hear some examples that it's got of what you'll be able to ask. So help and plan my special anniversary trip. It says I'm planning a trip for our anniversary in September. What are some places we can go that are within a 3-hour flight from London Heathrow? And then it goes off. It congratulates me on the anniversary. My anniversary is actually coming up in April, so I might actually use this myself. But it's augmenting the search result answer on mobile. I tested this on mobile earlier. This answer is above the links, but on desktop you can see that you get the answer side by side, and most notably it looks like it's citing the sources as well that it's used for the response, which is pretty cool. You can join the waiting list for AI powered Bing below, but you can see some real examples right now on Bing.com. Can you help me get fit? And it goes off, and I don't want that. And gives me some examples as well as citing the sources, which I assume I can click on by the looks of it. Yes. So it's picked all the sources. It's returning multimedia results. You can give it prompted responses back, or you can click on Let's Chat, I believe, once this is finished. Why did I ask? Plan a workout for my arms. Brilliant. So you're trying to tell me something. I think I can hit Let's Chat. Yeah, so you have to join the waiting list, but you can see some real examples of how Bing is actually going to return the search results right now. If you go to Bing.com, either click on Learn More, or you can see some of these pre-prompt, like preset responses and questions you've got here. So arts and crafts ideas with instructions for a toddler using only cardboard boxes, plastic bottles, paper and string. You can click try it, and boom, the response is there. It doesn't look like it's intruding on the blue, or I think they're purple on Bing, I can't remember. It's on desktop, it's not intruding on the real results, and it's citing the sources, which will be interesting to see what the click-through rates are on these types of results over the normal results. And it looks like when you actually go to chat, it puts the query in, which I'm assuming it's then using for reference guidance on whatever text is being returned on these blue links to then populate its response over here, whilst obviously fact-checking and reference checking the information using AI. Anyway, just thought I'd quickly throw out this video now so you can all get informed. It looks pretty cool. It's going to be interesting what it looks like on mobile, on the app, but on the web, on the mobile version of the web app, these results are definitely above the search results, essentially replacing a featured snippet perhaps, but it'll be interesting to see how this develops going forward. Obviously, in line with Google's news yesterday that they're releasing its lightweight version, it'll be interesting to see, to compare this. They haven't said this is a lightweight version. This version against Google's lightweight version, like what the accuracy is going to be like. Also, how they reference their sources. Bing look like they're doing a good job in actually referencing all the sources they're citing. I wonder what Google are going to do. They've not exactly been great with the featured snippet. Even though you get given one link and it only picks one best result, sometimes that featured snippet can take up a whole mobile result. As essentially you don't even get to click on the link in the first place. But good news, you can test this now with some of the pre-made prompts, and you can sign up to the waiting list on bing.com. I'll see you on the next one. Hopefully some more interesting news about how Google and Bing battle using AI. Speak to you soon. Over and out.